What's up, guys? Today we have my Mark 4 Jetta here, big turbo, 1.8T. We're gonna do some mods to it. I'm planning on starting a little series on this car. It is a time attack purpose-built car. It used to be my daily driver. Now it's my car that I just put together not too long ago. And I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of stuff on it. It's has a big turbo, which I will show you soon. I just finished having a track day with it, and unfortunately we blew the turbo. I don't think it blew up. I think it pretty much everything came apart, and I think there is some damage on the shaft of the turbo. But yeah, as you can see, it had big fender flares front and back, slicks all the way around, big intercooler. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys very quickly around the car, so you can see. It's a little bit of a tight space, you can't really see it. Used to have, it had the fenders mounted. I just took it off because it's a full bumper cut. As you can see, I pretty much cut everything. I am missing the rear sway bars, which we will be installing. Rear sway bars, front sway bars. I have some new speed 28mm ones. I have a big 9 Lives Racing 71-inch wing here with some custom mounts, which I will be taking off and making new ones to do a trunk mount instead of a mount like this, which it's good, but it's not optimal, and they're a little bit on the heavy side. The car I just put on yesterday, a car has Lexan all around except from the front and the rear of the car. This one is still glass, but I will be replacing it with Lexan. I'm just gonna show you in the rear. The rear is pretty much gutted. Those are the fender flares. I pretty much cut the spare wheel, cut everything out of the car. It only has a harness bar, but in the future I will be adding a roll cage to it. Right now it's just literally a full track car, bucket seats, harnesses, battery, fire extinguisher, some gauges, and that's literally what it is. I just literally just put in this new Lexan. But yeah, let me just show you guys. Get this for you, just to show you guys the engine. It is a pretty much straightforward. There's nothing crazy around here. Stock motor, completely stock top to bottom. It's an AWP with big turbo. It is a 50 trim, mock-up. It's like not a generic 50 trim. It's like an eBay kind of ish version of a 50 trim with a very off-the-shelf recirculating valve, eBay intercooler piping. Just been some modifications there and there to fit it, but yeah, it's just a standard manifold, 60mm throttle body, OEM. The only mods really that the car has, it has 550cc injectors from Grams. It has the R8 coil packs, and yeah, and I just got some bongs welded to the valve cover for the catch can system. And pretty much, yeah, it has a 25mm oil cooler in the front, which is over there, and has a big intercooler in the front, dual pass radiator with the stock OEM fans, stock OEM polar fans, which work pretty much great. I had no issues about temperatures at the track. And yeah, the car still has a lot to get done on. There's still a lot to do on it. This winter will kind of be a little bit of a project again. It's on coilovers all the way around, but it's on cheap coilovers. They're not the greatest. And it's on completely refurbished, completely like yeah, refurbished front end. So new control arms, new bushings, new pretty much new ball joints, new control arms, sorry, the sway bar links, pretty much everything brand new. But sorry, new bearings, new knuckles, new pretty much everything. The whole front end got brand new stuff, but it's just generic OEM stuff because I didn't plan on doing a track car, but it kind of took that route because I'm a little bit crazy. So yeah, so this is the car for now, and yeah, this is my Mark IV that we will be tackling and doing some future mods on it. I hope you guys like it. It was just a little introductory video on it. There's much to be done, which I can give you guys kind of a spoiler on the next mod, which is one of these. I'll show you guys, which is one of these beauties. A Cooler Works shifter. It's a billet shifter to replace my OEM one. But yeah, it's supposed to have a 40% throw, shorter throw on it. So yeah, we'll be tackling that for the next video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the car. I'm gonna post some pictures too of the car in the video at the track, so you guys have more of an outside idea, because the car is kind of over here and you can't really tell. There's no bumper on it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, that's my my Mark IV Jetta build at the moment for track.